Hello everybody. Today we will learn squaring of two-digit numbers in mind. This is a part 2 video, and so before attending this class, be sure that you have learned previous video. We will start with an example. Let us take a look at the diagram. 41 is the number to be squared. And from that point, draw a slanting line upwards. It is known as choosing up. Next, draw another. In this example, it is 42. And next, draw another slanting line downwards. It is known as choosing down. Now, and it is here 40. Now, multiply 42 and 40. 40 is 4 into 10. And 42 is 40 plus 2. And then open the brackets. 4 into 40 is 160 and 4 into 2 is 8. When you add that number, you will get 168 into 10, so that you will get 1680. You have to add 1 square with 1280 because 1 is the difference between 41 and 42 and also 41 and 40. So finally add 1680 and 1 to get 1681. Here we will see what is rounding up and rounding down. 77 is the number to be squared. Choose rounding down to the nearest multiple of 10. In rounding down, the bottom number is rounded to nearest multiple of 10 and hence it is 70 for 77. We know 70 is written as 7 into 10 and 84 is written as 80 plus 4. Multiply 7 and 80 and 7 and 4 and add the result. That is 7 into 80 is 560, plus 7 into 4 is 28. When you add these numbers, you get 588. Into 10, you will get 5880. Plus you have to add 7 the whole square, where 7 is the difference between 77 and 70 or 77 and 84. Adding these numbers, you will get 5880 plus 49, so that the final answer is 5929. When you round up, the number you choose to round up must be a nearest multiple of 10. When you round up, the number you choose to round up must be a nearest multiple of 10. For 77, towards up, the nearest multiple of 10 is 80. Choose downward number to be 74. The trick is both the up and down numbers must be equally away from 77. 80 can be written as 8 into 10 and 74 can be written as 70 plus 4. Multiply 8 into 70, you will get 560, and 8 into 4 you get 34. Adding them up, you will get 592 into 10, which is equal to 5920. At last, with 5920, add 3 square, where 3 is the difference between 77 and 74 or 77 and 80. Now add 5920 with 9 to get 929. Round up is preferred for 77 as final addition is simple. For example, nearest multiple of 10. Round up or down to a nearest multiple of 10. For numbers ending in 6, 7, 8, 9, you have to round up. For numbers ending in 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to round down. For numbers to be squared ending in 5, do both rounding up and rounding down. With this strategy, add only numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 to first calculation. What is the first calculation? Let us see. For example, take 77. If you round up to 80 for 77 and choose 74 downwards, their product will be 5920. This is the first calculation, and we add with it either 1 square or 2 square or 3 square or 4 square or 5 square. Let us see some examples. 56 square. As 56 ends with 6, we have to choose rounding up. Choose upwards 60 and downwards 52. Multiply 60 and 52. 60 can be written as 6 into 10. 52 can be written as 50 plus 2. On multiplying 6 into 50, you will get 300, and 6 with 2, if you multiply 6 with 2, you will get 12. Adding those numbers, you will get 312 into 10, you will get 3120. With 3120, you have to add 4 the whole square, where 4 is the difference between 56 and 52 or 56 and 60. So we are adding 3120 plus 16, you will get 3136. Rounding up and down. We saw rounding up and rounding down separately, but for numbers ending in 5, you have to do both. For example, 85 the whole square. Choose up 85 ends with 5. So we have to round both up and down. Both we have to do. Choose up 90 and down 80. Multiply 90 and 80. It is very simple, as 9 8s are 72 and attach 2 zeros simply. Plus 5 the whole square. 5 is the difference between 85 and 90 or 85 and 80. 7200 plus 25 will be equal to 7225. Next we will see a larger number, and when we round up, it is easy to calculate, as it choose 96 the whole square. As it ends with 6, you have to round up. It is easy to calculate with 100 for larger numbers like 96. Choose up 100 and down 92. Multiply 100 and 92. You will get 9200. Add with it 4 square. 4 is the difference between 96 and 100 or 96 and 92. You will get 9200 plus 16 equal to 9216. Here is a list of problems for practice. Try doing all with paper and pencil method at first. Gradually increase your speed of calculation mentally. Improve memory for mental calculation. I think people need memory for mental calculation, and hence I am adding slides for improving memory. First of all, ask yourself, why do you learn? Learning is to acquire new information. Next, ask yourself, how does memory helps to retain that new information? Memory holds the new information in place over time. Usually, learn and forget. This is our usual progress. So, With the increased memory, what you can do is you can enhance basic intelligence, because intelligence is based on events, people, facts you recall. Thus, recalling information is intelligence. We will see further continuation. Knowing secrets of memory requires different kind of thinking. There are 4 keys or C's to improve memory. Improve concentration, improve ability to create imagery and connecting concepts together, creating a habit with continuous use. We will see further explanation of these 4 keys later. The underlined words are known as 4 C's, which are the most important concepts to improve memory. Thank you for your attention. If you like my presentations, do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. I am expecting a lot from you to see the result of my teachings. Finally, go to description box for collecting max games, brain games, memory games, etc. to improve your mental calculation. Thank you once again.